Welcome to ProjectAlan. In the previous episodes we made this engine look amazing, put a lot of new parts on it and got it ready to go in the car. But before that, this old piece of garbage needs to get out of there. And I think we should pay some respect for it and drive it for one last time to remind ourselves why are we even doing this. Well, time to go for a ride. Here is an incline where it always dies. Like now. I'm gonna go and drive on the road where I always test my cars and just have a little bit of fun with it. Because even though it dies and it's very underpowered, it's still so much fun to drive. I'm glad that the lifter tick is not as bad as it used to be, because it used to be the loudest thing on this engine. And here is the road that I really like, so full throttle. Doesn't really want to go, and it goes. I love how this car handles. Not perfect, but really fun. A couple of fun turns coming up. Left edge, brake a bit, and full throttle again. Bucks, doesn't want to go, and it goes. Braking. This one's pretty scary. If you lose grip, you go straight into a pole. Doesn't want to be in high revs. And the end of the good bit. Don't let the revs die. The reverse sounds awful. This car always puts a smile on my face. This car is on IBA lowering springs and some brand new, no-name, sporty-looking shock absorbers. And I quite like them actually. Even though the camber on one of the wheels is off. We'll have to fix that. Full throttle again. Doesn't want to go on full throttle. Brake a bit. And fire it up very badly. Yeah, the power has gone somewhere. So yeah, when you go full throttle all the time, sure it doesn't want to go that much. Feels like it's fuel starving or something. Or maybe too much fuel, not sure. And it kind of jags a little bit and then goes. But the most annoying thing for driving it around town is that dying. If you have the emergency brake, it will die. If you just wanna sit at the red light, it will die. So that is super annoying. Probably the main reason why this engine sucks. Also, the fuel consumption is ridiculous, and I can't really adjust anything on this particular carburetor. So, I don't want to deal with a carburetor at all. Now, I was very careful to stop. Basically, let it be in gear for as long as possible, and press on the clutch on the last possible minute. It's It's kind of funny that it drives better now when I'm changing the engine, but no one's gonna save this engine, you're coming out. Oh, this car is so much fun. With 51 kilowatts, so that's what, like 75 horsepower. It's pretty fun already, and I can't wait to feel it with 100 horsepower. Should make this car super fun, and not needing to worry about it dying is even a better thing. Right there. So, this car is so much fun. I love it so much, but with that new engine it will be so much better. Super excited to drive it properly, hopefully soon. Now I think it's time to finally rip this engine out. After the last drive, me and my dad made some preparations. First of all, we installed something to rip the engine out of and removed the hood, bonnet, or whatever you call it in your country, since it was much easier with two people. And this time I'm not gonna talk much. Let's just take this engine out, starting with unbolting the drive shafts. Oh, am I glad to say goodbye to you. Bye bye, I hope I'll never see you ever again. Well, I checked it over a few times and I think we are ready. Let's pull this thing. finally out. Now I see that I will have a lot of work to prepare this engine bay, but I'm super excited to get that engine in here. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode when we'll do... well, there's a lot to do. See you then!